Hey guys, Timo the Hobo here. So, I'm back on the road after 3 weeks in Baleal. Yeah, the last weeks in Baleal were pretty nice. I was connecting again with these Polish people. Every day we pretty much did the same. We went surfing in the morning, we went surfing in the evening. Normally always in Baleal, in Trainia, in Lagide or Cantinho. Two of the Polish guys, they were also really good in filming. And these two Polish guys, they joined me once at surfing and filmed me a bit. And those are the best shots from that day. One time we also made a little morning excursion and tried to find a secret spot. Unfortunately, we didn't find exactly that one, but we found a really nice empty beach with really good waves. Unfortunately, the forecast said
it's too big. Go big or go home, and it would go.
We tried to find a little spot that is a bit smaller, but we didn't find any spot that was smaller. But we had some fun on those spots we stopped, and the street to there was not the best. Are you kidding me? What the fuck is this road? Especially not for my precious Lolita, and also not with 4 people in it. It was a little bit bumpy, but it was fun. And in the end, we went back to this beach and chilled there a bit. I couldn't really surf it because when I tried to paddle out, when I was out in the lineup, I was like 1 kilometer further away in the north. So I went out again after I got wiped out and chilled at the beach. Tried to do one evening a little bonfire at the beach. We actually needed 3 tries to finally made a proper fire, and we also made a really nice party. We had a little beach rave, and yeah, it was pretty cool. I also took once a little walk through Baleal, and I realized Baleal is really a beautiful little fishing village. Yeah, that's how it looks. Right now I'm on the way to the countryside. I want to visit there this lake I've seen that looked really beautiful. I want to finally explore a bit again because it has been too long, and I think in the evening, if it fits with the weather, I also definitely want to make an open air cinema because I haven't done this since a long time.
Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader.
So I arrived yesterday at this place and it was already dark, so I had no idea how it looked like, and that's why I was even more happier today in the morning when I saw at the sunrise how beautiful this place looked like. I decided today to make a little hike around this lake, and it's just so calm and peaceful. The only thing you can hear around is a little bit the wind and maybe some birds and some dogs from this other campers that are here, but otherwise it's so calm and peaceful. I love it.
You don't need the coast or a snowy mountain road to be in paradise.
me diamonds of gold. All the pictures we've been sold.
I'm already like hiking for 1 hour, 1.5. I'm half around the lake and now I found this peaceful place here.
By your side, but only you can find paradise. There's beauty to be found in the quiet of this house. It's paradise.
After yesterday's hike, I was back in my van chilling a bit and suddenly I got a visitor and it was a dog. Her name was Gizmo and the owner came a little bit later, out of breath because she was jogging, and she invited me to her place. So she's also traveling with another van, that's this van. She already left again with her van today in the morning, but we had yesterday a really nice evening. The thing is, they were just about to cook an awesome dinner and they just invited me to eat with them. So I got really nice food, vegan food, for free, and I made some drinks and we had a really fancy dinner at this beautiful spot. It's now already my third day in this little paradise and I just have to say it's so beautiful. Yesterday we did a bonfire. The bonfire didn't work that good because it was pretty windy, and I have to say the awakenings here, they are just perfect. So with this calm and this beautiful weather, I finally take out again my juggling accessoires, so I juggled a bit. I also did some balance boarding. Tonight is the night that I finally do my open air cinema in this beautiful spot. So now I'm back on the road and I'm on my way to Lagos, where I will do my surf instructor course level 1 by Australian surfing. By Austrian surfing. I'm really excited because afterwards I finally can work as a surf instructor, or I hope so if I pass the exam. But yeah, let's see what happens.